Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make column chart from pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, you can select here the one cell inside the data and you can press here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Table option. Then click on the first option from Table or Range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. Pivot Table from Table or Range. The first is a select a table or range. Here range is automatically selected. The second option, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. There's a first option, new worksheet is default selected. After that, click on OK. Here you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot table fields right hand side, and here the pivot table analysis tab and design tab also added. Now you can create here pivot table. Okay. So drag the fields below the area to create pivot table. So I drag here the date in filters, product in rows, okay, and values in values area. Okay. So here you can see your pivot table is ready. Now simply select your entire pivot table. You just drag and select here the pivot table with the date filter also, and go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the column charts option. Just click on it and select here the 2D column. Select the first column chart and here you can see your column chart is inserted from pivot table. You just drag the corner point and increase the size of your column chart. See, and with this you can use here the design tab. Just click on it, design tab of the column. Okay, so you can change the column design also, style also. Okay, so for that just go to the design tab and chart style you can change here. Just keep cursor on the every chart style and see the changes over, and just select the chart style that you want. I select this one. Okay, after that you can change the layout also, same as go to the design tab. In chart layouts group, click on the quick layouts option. There are so many options to change the layout. You can see the changes in here in preview in column chart. Just select the layout those you want. So I select this one and you can see your layout is changed. Okay. And if you want to move this chart in another sheet, you can easily move this. Simply click on the chart. Again, go to the design tab. In location group, click on the move charts. Okay. Here the move charts is dialog box is open. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. There are two options. The first option, new sheet, is automatically create a new sheet. And the second option, you can select here existing sheet also. Just click on this drop down arrow. If you want to move in the chart, sheet number one, select the sheet number one and click on the OK, and that's it. You can see in sheet number one, a chart you are moving. See, and in sheet number 3 you can see the pivot table here and with the data a chart showing, right? Okay, see the your chart is here. Okay, so this is a way you can move your chart also. And if you want to change the chart type, you can change it easily also. Just click on the chart, go to the design tab. Okay, in type group, click on the change chart types. Okay, you can see the all types of charts available. You can select any one. So I select here the bar chart and I select the bar chart, this one, and click on OK and see the changes here. Your chart type also you can change easily. Okay, so this is a way you can create column chart from pivot table in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.